Hello fellow weebs, welcome to Teardown. In this episode we're going to see if Godzilla can survive a BHL-X42. Now, do you know what a BHL-X2? Well, let's just have a look and see what a BHL-X2 is. Oh god, I should get rid of these. Where's my the big guy? Oh, let's That's my advice. BHL is a big black hole. Stop! Come on! Shit. Okay, it lost its tail, guys. So it's gonna get bigger and bigger. It's gonna get sucked in. Well, he's threatening the whole thing. See from that creature. Come on, Godzilla, come on. Follow the big black hole. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look, it's flying. He's flying. Guys. Look at it. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, guys, it was so falling. So guys, I think we now know that a BHL can kill Godzilla. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.